Yeah, it's springtime here in Maine, and we're choosing a different way of cleaning our driveway. And this time we're using our 5 horsepower Craftsman wet dry vac here to suck up the dirt instead of sweeping over and over and having it fling and keep coming up and having the air all dusty. We're sucking this darn stuff up and we're getting her done. There, what do you think of that? We got plenty of dirt here. We really had to spread the old salt and sand and all that around here. Yeah, the driveway's looking really good. RJ's going to earn some money here. It's a real nice day out. This 5 horsepower is doing the trick for sure. Better than blowing the junk all over the place. That's some of the dirt and pine needles that we've sucked up.